Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. Scroll through the menu and find the option called the system. Once you find it, select it, press start button. Here, scroll through the menu, find the option called the display, select it and press the start button. Now, scroll down and we have a couple options like during activity, general use, and during sleep. During activity is basically when you're recording activity on your watch, like cycling, running and stuff like that. General use is when you're using your watch normally, not recording any activity, and not sleeping. And during sleep is when you're sleeping. This works only if you have the bedtime set up on your watch. So basically the time on which you go to sleep and the time you wake up. First, let's select the during activity. Press start. Here we can scroll down, find the brightness option, and once you find it and select it, press start, and here you can adjust the brightness for your watch, for the backlight rather, during the activity, so when you're recording activity on your watch. Select the brightness you like, then press start and start again to confirm. Then we can go back and select the general use. Again, scroll down, find the brightness, select it, and use the buttons to adjust it. Adjust it to your liking. Then once you adjust it, press the start button and then press it again to confirm. Next we have the during sleep. Select it, press start, select brightness, press start, and adjust the brightness, then press start, and start again to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.